Welcome back, and the program now as it is hot. And on today's matter, what we talk about? We talk about the recent cross carpet we don't experience since the new government they don't elect the new presidential this thing into power. But then we can't the prime man say is they right? Is they appropriate for people to the cross carpet at this point in time or not? Because cross carpet in the first place. Now, are you doing it for your own personal interest, or are you doing it just because of saying you won't really represent the people they represent well? Chukwudi is still there for us, and I will still there on this matter. I don't be plead to and don't beg. I say Chukwudi, no vex over what I talk. But because of say I know you too well, and I know the kind of places where they travel to, that's why I say I could clear. I say no confuse Nigerians over where they travel go. But Chukwudi, on the second thought, I know say you don't know the verse again, Abi.
I know the verse. So I know. I
but then Moko also bring this issue from this angle. We don't see, for the interest of Nigerians and for the interest of people where our leaders they represent. So you know, feel say it go there appropriate. Make the new government, make the established law. Where we say we go a very strong law. Where we say we go kick against anything that has to do with you cross carpeting to another political party.
If law
understand? Because now be the only thing where we say we go fit make us they very because the way we are saying things now, if it continues this way. We don't gradually drift to a one-party system, which is not good for the country, to me.
Which be waiting me say we even they fight against
exactly
before. Because
which is not good for the country.
You get the time when we say some of our politicians, when the PDP come out and say they go rule this country for 150 years. Some say they go rule till 2000 and something.
That kind of thing.
Now because of say you feel say your party
they're too strong.
Don't they very, very strong.
Overwhelming. Don't take over the entire country.
But for democracy, we supposed to get opposition because not everybody go share and hold your view.
Exactly.
But the thing when they be say, if law day to use talk say, make these people no come out, it will be, I go speak English, infringing on their right to do what? To move freely and associate freely with everybody.
But I understand. But
now the issue now not be about the law, now about morality. If you join one political party now and you believe, okay, oh, this political party now, they get values, they get principles, they get ideals, and you feel say you get discipline, you go remain for that political party in thick
and I sure say you exactly help in building those things where you feel say they're missing for the political party. Help the political party to restructure themselves, build them up so that now also feel fitting. And they're very capable and viable enough to do it. To fit compete with any other party will come.
But we don't talk lie. All these are our political parties. And the way some of the political leaders they behave, you don't show say they really don't get principle.
They don't get.
They really don't get principle.
People tell ourselves the truth. Our political parties don't get principle.
They don't get. They don't get. Because I go give example. Because Rotimi Amechi, I go talk him again.
Not just allow you to talk.
No, I go talk him. He been talking one time, say the people when they carry broom, they be witches. There be wizards, there be babalawo, and in no two we see them they dance with broom. He not just carry the broom, in they dance with the broom. We go remember say just few days to the election, the deputy governor of no Rivers first, Rivers deputy governor.
Exactly.
He follow Amechi come up from PDP go APC. Then before the elections, he switch go back to PDP, and he talk and say he see plenty evil. I see evil
for evil.
Then we go talk about the Ondo deputy governor too. The Ondo deputy governor, him and Mimiko na Labour Party.
That is
from Labour Party to PDP. Then from PDP, he gonna change.
Wind of change.
Wind of change. Blow him. Go the APC.
That is just like 2 days to the presidential election. Now that I know say change. Wind of change all go. Yeah.
And plenty people now from Gombe to Benue to Nasarawa
everywhere, Edo State, everywhere.
The wind of change, they blow them, they go.
Don't they blow them? And in thousands,
in thousands.
And
some of them, the wind go blow their hand, go up like this. Blow them, enter their pocket. Bring out their membership card. The wind go come blow their hand, they will come tear the card.
They take it for Benue State now.
They will tear card.
Over 3,000 people bring out their ID card, PDP, their party ID card. Come they tear and say, we no longer want this government. We want to switch over to change.
But make we even ask ourselves.
But you know that this change all they even talk about. You switching over to another party. It change the sincerity in you. I mean, it change the conscience in you. I mean, just because of say yes, because of these people are no longer in trend, they're not there in vogue again. That is why they switch over. And to tell you the truth, you're only switching over. I'll keep saying you're only switching over for your own interest. That's simple as that.
Make we change from talk to receiving phone call. Noah from Lagos. Good morning, sir.
Jare. Good morning, Oga Noah.
How na dey?
We
dey
dey
fine.
fine.
Chuku, the one thing wey I wan tell you about all those crossing be say, make it dem dey cross. As they dey cross, PDP, we go know the people where dey for the party.
Oh, thank
And
you.
wetin I wan tell you be say, na true you dey talk say they no get principle. All these our party leaders, they no get principle at all. Say yeah, but me and you, I don't want to make you defend o. Me and you will still remain for PDP o.
We dey now, but even though our papa win the election, we dey.
But yesterday you fall my hand. Yesterday you fall my hand.
No. Oga Noah, I thought say our papa win the election.
No, yesterday before you know it talk.
I know wetin I dey talk.
You dey rig election for your face.
For the ballot paper.
No. Oga Noah, na the wind blow my hand. The wind dey blow the ballot paper. They enter inside the
Uncle,
ballot.
because snatch the ballot paper. at the end
Why
of
we
the
go snatch
program.
am?
Na so they do
I
now.
cannot sit down on somebody they cheat me.
Na so they do. Oga Noah, thank you very much. In your own little way, try to educate people because of say politics no be just about the personal interest of the key players. That they represent their people because when they present themselves to us for election, now we they elect them. So many of them they feel say now their interest first before the interest of their people, but no be so. And we suppose they promote good values, good ideals and better discipline for our society. Make you not just be like say because you feel like say this thing no favor you again, you go rush come out. We go collect Iho from Abuja. Oga Iho, good morning, sir.
Oga Shukuti, good morning.
Oga Igo, good morning.
Oga Okubi, good morning.
Good morning, oh.
Oga Okubi, I want to ask you something.
I do yeah.
For US, the two parties wey they get, the Republican
And the Democrats. And the
you never
Democrats,
see say, I think you never see say when one side lose to the other side, you call they go, you see for television say other side go say okay, me now since now this side as now Republican they rule, me I come switch go this side.
How
you never
often
see
na
am for
lie?
US.
No, in the talk say they never in the
Okay,
talk.
I dey hear you.
Wait first now. What I see for this Nigerian politics that
Okay.
those people they move from APC, they go PDP. Say from PDP to APC. One, they find favor. Two, they don't shop onions. Their mouth is not the smell. So they find there. They go there. They go find brush for APC. What they take brush their mouth so that they don't go catch them. So make they leave. If all of them leave PDP, all the bad ones go leave PDP, go APC. Now later they go still come back. We and the Shukudu people, we see their PDP. We know they wrong. PDP for life.
Oga Igo, thank you very much.
Oga Igo, thank you very much. And we go emphasize and say now our papa, now him win election. Now him be our papa for all of us. But it is very, very important. Opposition, they're very, very important. A vibrant and a viable opposition.
They very because look every other countries. Like you take America, give example. Okay, typical. Okay, before them we collect Yaduni they call us from Oshogbo. Good morning, Yaduni. Yaduni, good morning.
And he don't take since Yaduni follow us talk.
Hey, yes, we don't take. Okay, so as I be the talk, if you go like a country like America, we see them get just two strong parties. The Democrats.
Not be just America.
Yes.
Look, we
no,
talk
I said
about
like
advanced
America.
democracies.
Advanced democracy.
Even for Ghana, yeah.
Exactly. It's beautiful. Okay, Ghana get, US get. But these are viable parties wey be saying, if this particular government, where they under this party not do well, then go they under the threat of being swept or being overridden.
Now the position of the opposition.
Exactly.
For those of us who study government, they talk and say the opposition is supposed to be shadow government.
Exactly.
The opposition is supposed to be watchdog.
Watchdog to waiting the
Exactly
present
now.
Government they do.
But many of our politicians now their pocket they find.
No, be virtually because now anybody wey they see they switch over to any other political.
I know person
they switch them just because of your own interest. And then on that note, no quickly collect this call from Linda. Linda, good morning from Kaduna.
Good morning, oh. Good morning, Ukubi and
Good morning, Linda.
How are you?
Are they fine?
I want to contribute on this cross carpeting. It's so disappointing.
It is, oh.
The way they are just, these PDP people, they just mess up that party. I like the party, but they just mess it up. They are just leaving the party to APC. Can't they stay there and
restructure?
Strategize their party? They might come back 2019. So I just want to advise them to stop cross capital. It's not good.
Thank you very much, Madam Linda. Thank you very, very much.
And be another thing when I think say happen be say a lot of people because even the retired Major General when cross from PDP now to APC when contest for gubernatorial election. If me talk am say say people they accuse am say na because of say they no give am money when he want do his own campaign na him cause am. Say no, say the governor they no give am money, they no even give am anything and he just talk.
We get caller. We get Ufot. Ufot they call us from Oka. Good morning, Ufot.
Yeah, hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Chukudi, how you doing?
I dey fine, Oga Ufot.
They call from Uyo, no be Oka.
Okay, Uyo.
Quite well.
Yes, sir. My brother, see this matter with the ground. I feel say our politicians them no their bearing. You understand? Because without a strong opposition,
yes.
the better side for democracy will not fit understand.
Exactly.
You understand?
Yes.
So when PDP in the power, APC, I mean AD, I mean now them in the opposition, when they took government, you understand? Opposition party like today, they try to tell government, say, look, this is when they do, you know, supposed to like this and all those kind of things. But I feel say all these politicians where they do kurukere the entire APC, then get cockroach for their cupboard and then they find favor. You understand? So now my own be that, I know they. But me I still believe Chukudi, we were the PDP, no worry, make we dig ground. Power go still come back to us. The land God day. You understand? So we will be true PDP. We don't need run come out. You understand? Because now since when Ogajana don't come, many people don't take start they run come out. Because that won't be no agreement and they do as they like as they did before. So some people will not be true Democrats, go everly they run they come out. They're going to find where favor go fit they reach them. You understand? So for us, I believe that let us still stay as the opposition is needed in a democratic governance. That is the truth.
Oga Ufo, thank you very much. You don't make a very salient point. But we will check out somehow, especially for this Lagos where we base and when we don't know the way campaigns don't they go. We don't hear say they say make people say now when we say APC don't they for center. You understand? Make people try their best to vote for them for the state so that development go there rapid. I can't ask this question. Say now until the day center and the day state, now development go happen. Because make we check. See Lagos State as example now. Lagos State na state where we say every other state they look up to because of the kind development wey happen for Lagos State. But yet, since 1999, Lagos never connected to the center. And on that note, we go Bayelsa, collect this call from Madam Esther. Madam Esther, good morning, ma.
Good morning, Chukudi.
Good morning, Madam Esther.
Good morning.
I beg chook mouth for this matter.
Not be small, this one a story the story so. It's interesting.
Thank you very much.
Madam Esther, I beg you say don't cross.
No, I not cross, I go cross. I see the PDP. This one a matter, and the first time they call, so I always they watch now.
Okay.
No, I never cross.
Right on, we hear you.
It's very interesting. So this cross carpeting of a thing, when they talk to, it's very bad. That is to tell you, say, there are sabotage and then get betrayals for PDP. That is why you see them now that they cross carpet. It's very bad. It is just for their selfish aim. If they really want, to make PDP grow, they're supposed they there to work for their people, not be to cross to APC. Say because now APC with they lead now, so it's very bad.
Thank you very much, Madam Esther. Make we look this matter where
they talk about now, something.
I want make we look like this. Make we look political parties as platforms. PDP, APC. These political parties are platforms. But the people who hold the two parties, now the ordinary people. Because if they like, may they vote themselves, they know if you win. Then they count on the votes when go come from the ordinary people. If the PDP they center, or if they're anywhere, they go do things to favor the people. If the APC they center, or they're anywhere, they go do things to favor the people. Now the issue now say, if not be the way when we say our political class, they think, and they thinking about their pocket and their personal bank account. If not the people that they think about first, there's nothing wrong in saying,
let me stick with this same party and help in rebuilding, restructuring, putting it back to order. It's as simple as that.
Not be competition.
Not be competition.
Not be competition
it
at
pass
all.
like that.
We know say for election, now the reason, okay, make we win, make we control power. But everybody now for the benefit of, if light there, light go knock for you.
Everybody go benefit from am.
Light go ask you to show your card before
Abdullahi, good morning, Jare.
Adebeso.
Mina, Abdullahi from Mina, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
Okubi.
Yes, I hear you, Jare.
God bless you.
Thank you very much.
God bless you.
Thank you.
What I want to talk now is say this cross carpet where people PDP they do go APC. Is because they see the party has already lost already. So they want a place that is going to favor them. Because they know they have done a lot of damages, which they know there is someone that is going to hunt for them.
Yes.
They know that someone is coming to hunt for them. And despite their cross-carpeting, I'm telling you, the APC has already strategized all what they want to do. So anybody that wants to cross-carpet, let him cross-carpet. Nemesis will soon catch up with all of them, despite their cross-carpeting. So what I want our politicians to know is that the cross-carpeting they are doing, they are not supposed to be doing it. What they're supposed to do is that they should remain in PDP to make PDP stronger again.
Yes.
Not cross-carpeting.
Yeah.
Because our politicians now, all what they are trying to do now is just to be filling their pocket. Wherever will favor them is where they want to go, which is not supposed to be so. The masses is supposed to be with their first interest, not their own pocket.
Thank you very much,
Abdullahi.
You don't make very, very important points.
But briefly, make I state some of the quotes where people will cross carpet from this particular party. Some of the quotes where they mention, as they describe the party where they be day before, where they be hold so strongly, where they be get so much passion for. One or two quotes. Okay, this particular quote talks say they lamented that they find in the PDP what was best described as belonging to a generation of vipers.
Viper.
Hold on.
Viper and snake.
Wait, they can't say PDP. That is, PDP is made up of people who do not have the interest of the state at heart.
Nkubi, I don't want you again. We could take Ade set from local. I don't face. Oga Ade said, good morning.
Oh God. Oga Ade said, good morning.
Oga Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Are they fine?
How our studio people then?
We did everybody day.
My PDP brother, how they work?
Are they well? But now our papa win election. You know that.
That one thing, our papa will not go cast them away. We could live on like that. When the time reach now, we will come back again. We go redraw our map. When we come back, thank God say the bad people with the spoiler Ogajo, we don't spoil Ogajo now government. They don't run commerce. So now we can know who be the real PDP. And now we know them. Then after all, when we done the comeback that 2019, we will not say yes, our plan now they well settled. And that time they come back, we'll come back with strong blood. See, those people will go, they're not going to come back again. Because we see people the waka like this. I think it's 12% government. As they did down now, what they fight for? Now we have money, they fight for.
Yes.
They don't want to say, okay, this one, I make a good one for my people's sake. Everything they fight for now, how they go get money, how they go good what. They know they think of, okay, now people are the good represent to. Now people are the stand for. They don't want to know all those ones. All the things they know, they say, make them go fight for money. And the money they don't chop. Make the opposition party now, make the present party where they no one rule also. Make them not come jail them. They fear. And you say you don't inside PDP. Suppose stand for anything where they come now. That is why see I comment on waiting the remark talk. See, even though Naim will be the last man, he will rather remain for PDP.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Ade said. Thank you. And then on that note, we will quickly do it. We will quickly enter market. Go also know as the situation be for market. Other people said, don't they pot, go the opposition party. Will they come?
Now still as City Hot on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Ezugu Chukuri and Nkubi, they look into the crossing when many of our political people they cross, especially from the PDP to APC. We dey analyze the matter to see whether indeed now the interest of the people are being their own personal interest. You be talk about law, say main law day. I believe say since our constitution guarantee freedom of association, say you fit associate so long as say the thing no endanger anybody and you know constitute nuisance. But I believe say the parties, the parties in itself,
they don't abuse them already.
Yeah, people go abuse them now. People go abuse them. But now the political parties in their own self suppose set up structures in place. Like for example, you when we say you dey feel like say you be big man for this party. If you come here automatically, you go just enter. They suppose get process where we say at least the process of going through the fire. Maybe like you want go through baptism. You go start from the
stages. Start from the
word.
I know say a lot of them no go even go through such stages.
They
don't
even
get the
go
patience.
now.
They say they won't go through such stages before they go eventually recognize them as member of the party.
Take for example, look Benue State now. Somebody crossed from Benue State. One big man crossed from Benue State with close to 3,000 supporters. If he come out with 3,000 supporters, say, okay, these 3,000 people, then they carry card for one particular political party for this state. You understand? And these 3,000 people, if I tell them, say, may they follow here, now here all of them go follow. The party, when they go look and say, politics now game of numbers.
Yes.
And say, this man, if he carry these 3,000 people enter, if those 3,000 people feel convince at least 4 people to vote for them during the election, you go see, say the thing, everything go, you go there the way when it is now.
We get Chile. Chile, they call us from Rivers. Good morning, Chile.
Yeah, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Chile.
Good morning. Nkubi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
My brother, the kind thing where they happen for this country, they make us to have tears in our eyes. Some countries that are civilized, they are laughing at us. Imagine somebody that calls himself a senator, somebody will say he be senator. He never even enter the house where they elect and reach. In dump the party, we bring them to power. We give them that ticket. I'm talking about Jeremiah Useni, where they don't tell me say army people, they are disciplined people. So such a man, is he fit to be a senator of the Federal Republic? Like you said before, in America, we have some senators that has been contesting. Whenever they contest, they fail. They contest, they fail. At times, when they contest, they win. They will still remain in that particular party. Waiting they happen for Nigeria. It means that Nigeria, we are not going to have opposition party, and the democracy will not get opposition party. That democracy will surely die.
Yes, sir.
I am that as you see me so. Other people will cross carpet, they vex me. The one where they vex me pass now somebody where they just elect, where they never inaugurate the Senate and don't dump the party. And another thing, Chukwudi, where I want to talk, be say, our lawmakers should try and put law where go fit make person. You know go fit. Party no go fit bring you into office. You can't dump the party and say you are cross-carpeting and still retains that particular
the same mandate. The same mandate.
It's wrong. What are we saying? And some of them, of course, I am happy they are not my father, because if they had been, any one of them had been my father, I would disown him.
Okay, Chile, I beg, just take him easy. And a democracy and I beg no verse. Okay, Chile, I beg no verse. Okay, Chile, I beg no verse. Continue to the watch as Syria hot, make your temperature.
Nkubi, I want to thank you. I greet you, say you are magnanimous in your victory.
Thank you very much.
Do like other people.
Thank you very much.
We will remain as we are, and we will continue to be PDP for life.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Our people when they for house, when I don't hear all the discussion when we carry come, when I don't chook mouth on top of all our topic them, and when I don't talk them as it dey hot. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come on smoke. What would always they talk? We say, Nigeria and our country, e no go spoil. Make I give una information beforehand. On the 11th of April, as we dey do the gubernatorial and the state houses of assembly elections, we go stand inside our studio. They give una all the gist as it dey happen for different parts of Nigeria. And you sef go fit join us, and we go confirm that our eyewitness line again and let you know as the thing dey be. Until we come back again tomorrow. My name na Ezugo Chokwot.
Yes, and make no also forget say the governorship election and the state house of assembly election they come. Make sure say na do it. Una go out, go accredit, and event for vote for a candidate of una choice. Until tomorrow we go carry another issue coming our way again. From me, Webin Kubi. Una bye bye.